Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Powerhouse Ideas. As I promised every one of you that I'll be coming up with a new video in which I'll be sharing 6 points which are very much important for making money in share market. These are the 6 points which all of you need to remember to earn money in the market, because these are the basic things which the traders ignore and make losses in the market. So I, CA Karan Arora, with the ultimate motive, or you can say a mission, of free knowledge for all, free knowledge related to share market for all, so that the retailers don't lose money in the market. So I am on a mission that you who are watching this video is not losing money in the market. So it's a selfless job which I am doing, and the motive I have already cleared, that it is for your benefit. So kindly stay with me till the end so that you can get these 6 points which are very important when you are trading. And after watching the 6 points, you will realize the mistakes you were doing in the market and these things you should not do in the market if you're not doing that. Right. So before starting the 6 pointers one by one, I will request every one of you that I share a detailed analysis on Twitter, on a Twitter handle in the same name as the Powerhouse Ideas, wherein I mention every single reason on the chart. The chart itself stock. ठीक है, तो उस चार्ट को बोलते हुए चार्ट को देखने के लिए every one of you is requested who is following me on YouTube that kindly follow me on Twitter as well, so that you do not miss most of the swing trading better opportunities. Those opportunities are ready-made food for you which you can consume after your analysis. ठीक है, तो my main motive over there also is that I just don't want to feed you with a fish. I should be working in a direction that I should teach you how to fish so that you can feed yourself every day. ठीक है, तो शुरू करते हैं. आई होप अभी तक आप लोगों ने ट्विटर को फॉलो कर लिया होगा, आपने ट्विटर पे मेरे चार्ट्स देख लिए होंगे, आपको अच्छे लग रहे होंगे. एंड इफ यू फाइंड दैट गुड, kindly share with your friends also. Second most important thing before starting the 6 pointers is, if you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe it. And my view to like ratio is very less. I am not getting the desired ratio as per which is required for the YouTube channel to reach maximum people. So to help me reach the maximum people, every one of you requested that kindly hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you haven't. Now let's start. The first point which most of the traders don't know or ignore is that always make an habit of seeing the bigger trend. बड़े ट्रेंड को देखने की हमेशा आदत डालो. अगर आपने ये आदत अपने अंदर इनकलकेट कर ली, then believe me, 50% of the time you will be avoiding the losses. And 50%, believe me, is a big figure, because in share market it is very uncertain. Whenever you flip a coin, there are chances of a head or a tail 50-50. Same goes in share market. There are always 50% chances of losses and profits. But you need to get that additional 1% by applying this six pointers. ठीक है, तो हम शुरू करते हैं. The first point is always see the bigger trend. I'll explain you with an example on the chart. हम चार्ट लेते हैं आपके सामने. We will take a chart of Suzlon Industries. I'll explain you with a proper case study. अब आप देख सकते हो, this is Suzlon Energies in front of you. The people who know that what is a breakout and what is a trend change, they might be seeing that it was a downtrend over here, then there was a breakout somewhere over here. It spent time and started creating an upward moving trend line. So most of the people tend to buy this stock somewhere over here near the trend line. ठीक है, most of the traders do that. But most of the traders don't do this, which I'm showing you right now. Now see the bigger picture. You will get a more clarity. Now this is the bigger picture of this chart. As you can see in front of your screen that this chart, Suzlon Energy, has fallen from the level of somewhere around 32. Let me go to the bigger time frame and show you the exact levels. This is the weekly time frame. Now see, what is the story? You are somewhere sitting over here. When you are not seeing the bigger picture, you are seeing that the stock went up, came down, and again moving up. You might take an entry over here. But if you are seeing this bigger picture, which I am just going to show you, this is the bigger picture of the chart. So always make an habit to see this. This stock has fallen from the level of 440 and is trading at 710. Why? Ask yourself. Because the fundamentals might not be good. That's why it crashed like anything. And what most of the TV channels or most of the other channels, without taking the name, do is make you buy these kind of stocks, over here. And you get trapped forever in these kind of companies, because these bounces, big bounces are nothing, just dead cat bounces, and you can say a trap also. So stock which is in long term downtrend, बड़ी पिक्चर में डाउन ट्रेंड में है, how can you assume कि ये आपको प्रॉफिट बना के देगा? So this is one of the most important thing which most of the traders do not follow. If you also didn't follow this, or if you also didn't knew this, then kindly comment and tell me that. So this is one of the most important thing which you should remember while trading. Second most important thing is trade with the trend. ट्रेंड के साथ ट्रेड करना सीखो, ट्रेंड के अगेंस्ट नहीं. लेट अस टेक एन अनदर एग्जांपल. इन टेक्निकल एनालिसिस इट इज सेड दैट ट्रेंड इज योर फ्रेंड. टेक्निकल एनालिसिस में कहा जाता है कि ट्रेंड इज योर फ्रेंड. नाउ मोस्ट ऑफ द ट्रेडर्स व्हाट दे डू इज, वो देखते हैं, मैं आपको एग्जांपल क्या बताता हूं, वो क्या करते हैं, यहां पे एक रेजिस्टेंस देखते हैं, दिस इज द रेजिस्टेंस. वो क्या करते हैं, इसको इमीडिएटली, नाउ लेट मी गिव यू अनदर एग्जांपल. आप कहोगे यहाँ तो गिर गया ये, मैं आपको एक अनदर एग्जांपल देता हूं. लेट मी फाइंड अ गुड एग्जांपल फॉर यू. वेट अ सेकंड, आई जस्ट नीड टू रिमूव दिस पेन फर्स्ट. व्हाट हैपेंड टू द स्क्रीन? गिव मी अ मिनट गाइस, द स्क्रीन जस्ट गॉट हैंग्ड. Now suppose, for example, be with me over here. For example, you see that the stock is falling down, creating lower highs and lower lows. What most of the people do is that they identify a support over here. They identify a support like this. There's nothing wrong. What they do is, whenever the stock reaches this support somewhere over here, okay, they tend to buy this, assuming that the stock will start moving up like this. But that does not happen. Why it does not happen? First of all, in intraday, because this is a 1 hourly time frame, in intraday the overall trend is down. So you should be looking only for selling opportunities, not for buying opportunities. If you are trading against the trend, this is how you get trapped. So first important thing you need to know before starting to trade. For example, you are sitting over here. Let me highlight that for you. Wait a second. I'll give you a live example. Kindly be with me. For example, you are sitting somewhere over here. This area over here has not formed right now. Let us assume that this area is not formed. You're sitting somewhere over here. You see that the support is coming. Let me draw with another pen. You see that this is a support. You draw this support like this. ठीक है, आप इसको सपोर्ट को ड्रॉ कर लोगे, उसके बाद आप जाओगे छोटे टाइम फ्रेम के ऊपर. The smaller time frame is just opening. Give me a minute, guys. अब ये वो छोटा टाइम फ्रेम है जो आपने देखा यहाँ पे कि एक सपोर्ट बनाई हमने. ये एक सपोर्ट थी अच्छी खासी यहाँ बैक एंड पे, यहां से हम अच्छी एक मूव देखने को मिली थी. ये स्टॉक नीचे गिर रहा था यहाँ पे. जैसे ही ये सपोर्ट आई, लोग क्या करते हैं, लोग इसको बाय कर लेते हैं, बिकॉज दे एंटीसिपेट दैट अ रिवर्सल विल हैपन फ्रॉम दिस. द फर्स्ट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग व्हेन यू आर स्टार्टिंग एन इंट्राडे ट्रेड, identify what is the trend. Like the trend is downtrend over here, you are just looking for selling trades, not buying trades. Now when to look for buying trades? Till the time the previous resistance, this area over here, the previous resistance is not broken on the upside and it does not create a new high, we are not buying it. Till the time this trend is intact, we are not buying it. Now let's see where it can be bought. Now see it over here, how beautifully it behaves. As you can see over here, it's continued falling downwards. Now see over here, the trend is changing. Over here a low was created, but no new lower low has been created. Then a high was created which is higher than the previous high. Then a low higher than the previous low. Now when this kind of trend has changed, then only we are looking for a buy. Don't immediately go for a sell when it's on resistance, and don't immediately go for a buy when it's on support. Always trade with the trend. Don't trade in anticipation. Trend is your bigger friend. So whenever you open, first identify that what is the trend. The trend is down, I am only finding selling trades. If the trend is up, I am only finding buying trades. This was the second most important thing. The next most important thing which a trader always ignore is identifying of key levels. Okay? A trader has a responsibility to take a trade when it happens, not create a trade. A trade should immediately occur, we should not create it. Now what do you mean by identification of key levels? You need to identify those levels which are having a maximum price action. Like somewhere over here, this is a key level. Price is not able to break below this area. Okay? Same way I have drawn this key level, highlighting by these two black lines. As you can see, I waited for the stock to fall. It came to my key level. It gave me a pattern called engulfing pattern and a continuation. ठीक है, तो हमने की लेवल्स ड्रॉ करके रखने हैं मार्केट के अंदर पहले ही. मैं आपको किसी और चार्ट पे एग्जांपल देता हूं इसका. लेट अस टेक अ चार्ट MTAR. इट्स अ वेरी गुड फंडामेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग कंपनी. अगर आपको नहीं पता है तो आपको पता होना चाहिए इस कंपनी के बारे में. बहुत ही ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग कंपनी है. नाउ सी दिस. When to enter? First we need to identify the key levels. How to identify? This was the suppose we are sitting somewhere over here. We are not taking the trade when it's away from the key level. We need to identify a key level. Key level is the previous support to enter. This resistance might work as a support, and we see that it has started working as a support. So this is the previous key level. If the price does not stops over here, then the next key level will be somewhere over here. We need the stock to wait, stop and start moving up. So what we did is we identified a key level here only before the price reached to this level. I identified it like this. The stock came down onto my key level and gave a bullish engulfing pattern. This green candle is a very strong candle. After that we can see some of the price rejections over here by this wick and a continuation. So before starting a trade you need to identify your key levels. Like if the stock, suppose for example, does not stops over here, it will go to the next key level. We will wait for the stock to respond to the key level. Like this is the key level. Why this is the key level? Let me explain. Over here it was working as a support. Then there was a gap over here. Then a resistance. Then a support. For example, the stock came down to this area. We will wait for a bullish confirmation to happen. ठीक है, जब तक बुलिश कंफर्मेशन नहीं आएगी तब तक वो की लेवल रिस्पेक्ट नहीं होगा एंड वी आर नॉट टेकिंग ट्रेड्स. सो बिफोर टेकिंग अ ट्रेड लुक टू द लेफ्ट साइड. लेफ्ट साइड पे देखो अपने, अगर सपोज आप यहां पे कहीं बैठे हो, लेफ्ट साइड पे देखो कौन सा की लेवल आ रहा है. दिस इज द की लेवल. द नेक्स्ट की लेवल विल बी समवेयर ओवर हियर बिकॉज वी हैव मल्टीपल प्राइस एक्शन ओवर हियर. ठीक है, तो आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ द की लेवल इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग व्हेनेवर यू स्टार्ट ट्रेडिंग. दिस मोस्ट ऑफ द ट्रेडर्स टेंड टू इग्नोर. Now the next important thing is risk to reward ratio. That is also very important which most of you ignore it. ठीक है, इसको हम समझते हैं एग्जाम्पल के साथ. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमने ड्रॉ किया की लेवल यहाँ पे इस जगह पर. ठीक है, ये की लेवल ड्रॉ किया हमने. Why this was a key level? Because it had a support over here, a gap over here, a resistance and a support. For example, you are taking a trade somewhere over here on this green candle. Let us see what is the risk to reward. Now this is the entry point. This is the stop loss below the key level and this shall be the target. The next resistance shall be the target. Target will be this. While seeing the target, we can see the risk to reward ratio is 1.46. So it's a good risk to reward ratio. At least till the time you are not getting 1.5, don't go for the trade because it's all about mathematics. What is mathematics? Let me tell you how trading works on mathematics. For example, you are finding trades which are having a risk to reward ratio of 1:2 and your trading setup is 50% profitable. Means if you take a trade, 50% of the time it went into losses and 50% of the time it went into profits. So if you take 10 trades, 5 will be winning and 5 will be losing. So if you are maintaining a healthy risk to reward ratio of 1:2, in the winning trades you will be earning 10 rupees and in the losing trade you will be losing 5 rupees and overall you will be earning 5 rupees. So this is the importance of having a good risk to reward ratio. If the risk to reward ratio comes out to be 1:1 every time, if the risk to reward ratio comes out to be 1:1 every time, you always work on this ratio, then see what happens. Assuming again that 50% is your win rate, 5 you will be losing and 5 you will be earning. ठीक है, तो 5 में जो आप हारोगे, there you will be losing 5 rupees and the profitable trades will also earn 5 rupees. So at the end you will be earning 0 rupees and end up paying the brokerage charges and the other taxes. So maintaining a good risk to reward ratio is one of the very most important thing in trading which you should maintain always. ठीक है, तो रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड रेशियो कैसे निकलती है, पहले हम देखेंगे स्टॉप लॉस कहां है. स्टॉप लॉस हमेशा रहेगा सपोर्ट के नीचे, बिकॉज सपोर्ट वो एरिया होता है जहां पर प्राइस नीचे की तरफ नहीं जा पा रहा है. तो अगर आप सपोर्ट के नीचे स्टॉप लॉस रखते हो, तो वो एक हेल्दी स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा एंड टारगेट रहेगा आपकी रेजिस्टेंस. ठीक है, अगर आपको रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड रेशियो मिनिमम 1:5 की 1:1.5 की नहीं मिल रही, देन यू आर नॉट गोइंग फॉर द ट्रेड. ठीक है, सो दिस इज फोर्थ मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. द नेक्स्ट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज पोजीशन साइजिंग. मैं आपको इसको एग्जांपल से समझाता हूं कैसे. फॉर एग्जांपल हम मान के चलते हैं कि यहां पर एक हम अज्यूम कर रहे हैं कि दिस इज द सपोर्ट, दिस ब्लू लाइन इज अ सपोर्ट. यू टेक एन एंट्री समवेयर लाइक दिस एंड स्टॉप लॉस हमारा निकल के आ रहा है ये. आप एंट्री ले रहे हो, यहां से आपको 1:2 का रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड मिल रहा है, हम अज्यूम करके चलते हैं. नाउ इफ यू आर हैविंग 1 lakh rupees as a capital, for example you are having 1 lakh rupees as a capital, so as a profit sharing motive, you need to ensure that you do not lose more than 1% of the entire capital. अगर आपका 1 लाख का कैपिटल है, ठीक है, तो उसका 1% क्या निकलता है, 1 लाख का 1% इज 1000 रुपीज. सो इन एनी ट्रेड्स एज अ you can say a safe trader, you should not risk more than 1000 rupees. अब यहां पे जो स्टॉप लॉस निकल के आ रहा है वो निकल के आ रहा है 30 रुपीज का. ठीक है, तो अगर आपको 1000 रुपए का मैक्सिमम रिस्क लेना है, देन डिवाइड 1000 divided by the stop loss over here, that is 30. Whatever the number of shares come, you take only those number of shares. This is called position sizing. Now for example, the stop loss is slightly big. Let us say the stop loss is somewhere over here. This is the support area. The stop loss comes out to be 50 rupees. ठीक है, आपको मैक्सिमम लॉस लेना है 1000 रुपए का, तो you will be dividing 1000 divided by 50. You will be taking max 20 shares in that trade because you have to limit your loss. Always remember, risk is always considered before reward. ठीक है, पैसा जो आप गंवाने जा रहे हो वो आपको पहले पता होना चाहिए. अर्निंग अपने आप आ जाएगी मार्केट में. इन ऑर्डर टू स्टे प्रॉफिटेबल यू नीड टू स्टे इन द मार्केट. नहीं तो बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं, बहुत सारे शेयर्स ले लेते हैं मार्केट के अंदर आके, एक बार में 10-10 हजार शेयर ले लेते हैं, उसके बाद मार्केट को गालियां निकालते हैं. ऐसा नहीं करना है. बी विद प्रॉपर रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड एंड प्रॉपर पोजीशन साइजिंग. अगर आपका कैपिटल 2 लाख का है, देन डोंट रिस्क मोर देन 1% इन एनी ट्रेड. और अगर स्टॉप लॉस बहुत बड़ा निकल रहा है, देन डोंट टेक द ट्रेड, अवॉइड द ट्रेड. ठीक है, सो दिस इज फिफ्थ मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग विच यू शुड नो. लास्ट वेरी मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, वेरी मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, बट अ वेरी बेसिक थिंग. नेवर एवर ट्रेड ऑन टिप्स. कॉल्स या टिप्स पे ट्रेड मत करो. उसका सिंपल सा रीजन है, यू डोंट नो व्हाट इज द रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड ही इज टेकिंग, यू डोंट नो व्हाट विल बी द पोजीशन साइजिंग. You just take a trade on the person telling you to take the trade, and if we find something wrong in the trade, he will get out of the stock but won't be able to inform you. and it will be you who will suffer. So don't trade on tips, make your own analysis, be independent. And if you're not able to do that, kindly follow this channel. For a month or two, you will be able to trade yourself. It's free education for all of you. You who is listening to this video right now, it's free education for you. Kindly give time to this channel, give time to the market, and you will earn money. 2 bonus tips for you. 2 bonus tips, not the stock tips. 2 bonus tips for you is, one is which I call that never buy on resistance, and the second tip is never sell on support. इसका मतलब क्या है मैं आपको समझाता हूं. For example, this is the resistance. The stock is moving up, 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 up. It reached the resistance. So don't buy over here. Why? Because the stock in the previous history has faced resistance from this area. Don't buy on resistance. Always remember. Same way, never sell on support. For example, the stock is going down, 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 and you see that the stock is going down. I should short it. No, it is on support, and this area has worked as a support earlier also. So never sell on support. Whenever the stock reaches a support, we find buying opportunities. Whenever the stock reaches the resistance, we find selling opportunities, not the opposite. Okay, so these were the most important thing which a trader should follow and should not ignore. ठीक है, इसको डिटेल में मैंने बाकी वीडियोस में भी कवर किया हुआ है जो हम लाइव एनालिसिस करते हैं, but I wanted to compile it in one video. If you like this video, kindly like the video also, subscribe the channel if you haven't, and very important, follow me on Twitter. I'll be sharing a lot of analysis for all of you, and that too free of cost. I'll see you in the next video. Till that time, take care of yourself, take care of portfolio. Bye bye.